admirers, friends, and community members, traders alike. If you are in the market in the morning and you're looking for me to give your picks, you've come to the right place. I'm going to pick some doozies, but they're not going to be oil stocks unless you're wanting to hold your breath for a long swing trade. I'm just saying, as you can see, oil is at $90.90. The lowest it's been in 24 hours is $89.41. And with Bitcoin moving, oh boy, I'm telling you now, this is something to look at. Why is Bitcoin moving? Well, let's look at the bigger picture. See right here from this video, it's on a loop. It's a 20-second loop. Of course, the Iranians meet with the Qataris over in Doha. A great place, by the way, if you're in the Middle East and you want to go eat some food. Doha's got it, baby. I'm telling you. That's a lot of military members here in the U.S. are stationed. It's pretty good. But as you can see, the Iraqis, not the Iraqis, but the Iranians have met for the first time. So they can actually have a conversation about what's possibly coming up. This is why we're seeing Bitcoin move. And speaking of Bitcoin moving, I'm looking at the greater market overall, okay? As you can see, the metals are moving as well. So things like CRML, right, could be a mover today. Of course, the AI stocks, and the quantum stocks will probably be moving as well. This is just my 2 cents just off of, I guess an educated guess. I don't give financial advice, so I'm not your Madam Cleo, nor am I your J.G. Wentworth. Don't look to me for your answers in the stocks that you trade. Trade with your own money, not copy trading or someone else's money. You get the idea. Don't fuck up people's shit, okay? So Bitcoin is moving. The only one that's not moving is Solana right now, which kind of says something. If you look at Ethereum, slightly moving. Bitcoin is slightly moving, as you saw. And when I go over here and I start looking at some of the stocks that are out here, I can't trade this one. Artello, Biosciences, I don't care. I tried this one the other day, Biomics. I may try it again. But I'm really not looking at that at all. SkyQ, if you want a stock, this is going to go down, okay? And it'll probably go down to about $2.50 or $2, just saying. So look at that for something to move on. SFTF, this has a really low float of 1.19 million. And it can, as you can see, move. I would be looking at this one. I'm highly considering some of that myself. As I scroll down through here, there's one other one that I have been suggesting time and time again. BNKK. That one will probably move today because crypto is moving. Of course, it's Bonk. It is the Bonk Trust. Crypto stocks, AI, quantum, these are the ones should be moving. Oil stocks are no-nos. Just my 2 cents. It doesn't mean it's an exact science. So, you can also look at the things like mining stocks like TeraWulf or WLF. I don't really care about unusual machines, but you can take a look at that one. Of course, it's something of interest. Bragg House. Bragg House is a big Dogecoin trust. That's probably a good one today. Crypto's moving, and the SWE ETF, Canary Stake SWE ETF, you could see that. That one, since the IPO, has been kind of, not really super great, but you can see the SWE price, and then, of course, the stock price, right? No big deal. Right, blockchain, Iron, Keel, Mara. Keel used to be Bitfarms. Hive Digital, I've been saying, grab some. I've been saying to grab some since $2. And if you didn't do it, that's okay. It's fine. I don't care. Cipher Digital is another one of these. Here's one that's underpriced. And some people call it a zombie stock. BTCT. It's a Bitcoin trust stock, right? American Bitcoin, which is one that should move, has not really moved recently at all. It makes no sense, but it could move today. And if you're into the Bitcoin BitX, As you can see, this has already got a pop right here from the bottom down here, so expect this to be moving higher as well. And MicroStrategy, if you're in the big ones, these are the ones that are moving. I've given you suggestions on what I think could move. It does not mean that I'm giving financial advice. I am not your Madam Cleo, nor am I your J.G. Wentworth. It's your money. You spend it your way. Okay? And it's now 8 o'clock, so things are just opening up. And as you can see, some things are just moving already. Hut 8, not really yet. But strategy is definitely moved on that pop. So the overnight session is in high gear. Let's see what's going on over here right now real quick to see if there's anything that's been worth anything at all. Let's see your overnights. Yep. See, it's a total flip on everything right here. This Tokyo one is the only one that has moved at all. Let's see here. No, Black Diamond, Biomics is kind of done here. I'm not seeing on anything. Now, Soxul Semiconductors could be very good today, right? Let's see. What else do we have? They're scrolling through here real fast because I only have a couple more minutes. You could get a surprise pretty much out of anywhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Also keep an eye on SIDU, okay? SIDU would be a really good one today. I wouldn't doubt that. And here's another one, of course, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to leave it right here on this screen. And hopefully I can see you on the next one. I just saw something here that popped up real quick. MDAI, that's one to watch as well. Just my 2 cents worth. I'm going to see what I can get out of this and see where I can go. As you can see, QTEX is moving a little bit already. All right, so here's a word from our sponsor, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Hey friends, Will here from PelishCrypto&More. When you guys are out looking for big boy ASICs to bring in some real big hash rate, head on over to megaminer.market. That's right. So if you're looking for pricing, they give you an updated price list on the daily from where it ships from. And you'll never pay any tariffs whatsoever. As far as that's concerned, most of these ship stateside, new and used. If you want to go learn.megaminer.market, you have more information about them over there. If you're looking to contact them, you can use Telegram as it's listed here. I regularly work with Alex or Nick. No question about it. You can click on the About tab and you can talk to Nick or Alex or even Trenton if you want. Abe, any of the guys, they're very super helpful. They can also provide you with hosting if that's something you're interested in. So check out megaminer.market today for not only your big boy ASICs, but some of your home mining ASICs as well, like the AlphaPex DG1 Home and some of the smaller Canon products as well.